On this next video, I'm going to show how to acquire a montage using the perimeter option. So I have centered the sample of the intestine, and I know I do want to acquire a montage around this sample. So I select montage, and actually you just need, I'll move with the joystick, you just need 2 points to define the rectangle around for which you want the montage. So I will add by perimeter, and I will add this position, which is my top left corner, and then I'll go down and to the left, until the end of the sample, and I add. So I have added the top right and the bottom left, and this allows to perform a square. I add the channels for acquisition, and then I can apply stitching and have the sample stitched after acquisition. I press acquire, and it will acquire all the tiles. I've asked a 4x2, so 8 tiles montage. It already acquired, and now here it is, the stitched image set up by the perimeter that I have defined. And it is as simple as this.